Hey, you! Did you see a cap in here?
A cap?
Crazy about aeroplanes, eh?
Yeah, I want to fly.
All right, fly into these. When you're through peeling that pile, you can fly.
Oh, boy,
Okay, Private Duck, we'll test your equilibrium.
oh, boy.
Hold your arms like this. Shut your eyes, and then touch your fingertips.
That's his answer.
Now, Jughead, let's see you pin this tail on that aeroplane.
That's his answer. A birthday party. I'm the double cross.
Huh? Oh? Where did Jughead go? Whoa!
Can I stick it, Sarge?
Yeah, you stuck it. Hey, Jughead, you want to go up?
Do I want it? Yes, sir.
Then get aboard that plane.
Oh, boy. I waited all my life for this opportunity.
Why, you... Get back. In your seat. Okay, boys. All out.
Well, they must be on the ground.
The little guy, he thinks we're on the ground.
That's for the land, Sarge. Uh-oh.
Come on. Get out of there.
No, I don't want to do that. No.
You wanted to fly, didn't you? Well, fly! Let go, you! Scram! Beat it! Get going! Hit the sill! No! Ow! Stop it, you little half-pint! Ouch! Out of here!